What is the matter with you? Didn't you see your father and I in the sitting room?
Mother, please, I'm not in the mood. Okay, I wish to be left alone. Please.
Well, let me see your face.
Mother, I said I'm not in the mood.
I said let me see your face now. Oh my word. What happened to you?
He was a reckless driver, okay? But I've handled it. He's currently cooling at the police station. So you don't have to bother yourself.
Which of the police station? Gosh. I'm going there immediately because I need to see the idiot that did this to my daughter.
Mother, it's okay. It's been handled, okay? I'm fine. I'm good.
Your father must hear this.
Mother, can you just relax? It's nothing.
Hey! Go see you, Nick by. Eh? This guy is not picking a call. Ha! Ebami. Hey! Iyabiliki. Ah! Egbogi, ele gidi gan ni o. Ah! This one strong and mighty o. Ha! Ebami. Go see pick your call. Go see. Ayé mi tèmi bàjẹ́ báyìí. Ah! Go see. Yay. Kosi, where are you now?
You did the place? Eh. No, I don't see the address. I dey come. No send taxi, only me go come by myself. Just spread your legs where they wait for me. You go see me na. What thing I go buy for you if I dey come? Nothing. No, now, Tumba. I need to buy you something. Make I buy you granite and garden egg. What of amala and ewedu? Okay, no waiting. I go buy you banana for booster. No, if you take the banana, all the veins for your prick go stand. I tell you, I go wound your waist. See that they follow you play. I be energy goddess. Just wait for me. You go see me na. And wait for me, I dey come.
Okay. I'll be waiting. Please do quick, oh. Be fast.
Otumba. We go wound each other. You don't whine. Now me and you tonight. Okay now. Bye-bye, eh?
Yeah. Hey. Yeah, Biliki ti pa mi o. This one is different.
Kosi,
Ó le gidi gan lele. Ó le kú.
Kosi Sochubu no send you at all. She not dey see your face. She dey come. Do you know James?
See this ugly pig. Who go kill your papa. They wait for me. Idiots.
No, listen. On no account should you tell my father what you saw. No, please, I am counting on you. Please. Yes. No, let me call you back.
Fancy.
Father.
Take out that glass from your eyes. Take it out. Now, take me to the station. I want to see that radical that lay his hands on you.
Oh no, Father, I am fine. I have handled this matter already. I already handled it.
All right. Give me the DPO's number.
God, what is all this? Can you both just leave me alone? Leave me alone! I have handled the matter. Leave me alone! Jeez!
Your Majesty. My mind is telling me that this girl is not telling us the truth. Kamsi has a boyfriend. Yes, and I think it's the boyfriend that did this to her.
How can you say such a...
She's trying to hide it.
How can you say such a nonsense? No man born of a woman can lay his filthy hands on my daughter. It's impossible.
It's okay.
Oga, don't they shout for my ear? You know they sleep for night. Me and you they do which meeting for night? Not be hotel you dey. If you wait to not see me, you go your house now. What will happen? Which one be your team they stand? If he stand, he go fall. Now if he fall, your body go rest. Okay, na 12 o'clock be this, so night don't reach. Wait for me now. Not be knack, you want knack. They come, you go knack till they break. Maybe you want knack. Wait for me, you go knack. No worry, they come. How the 12 o'clock midnight take affect you? Now me they come now, you they worry for me. I go come, no worry. They come. Otumba, they come. Your body too dey hot.
Kosi. Ha! You have touched the tiger's tail. Let me tell you something. Whether you like it or not, I must make sure you regret every penny I spent in this hotel. You will pay me back. You see that your small tiny waist, where you dey carry deceive men. By the time I am done with you, I will chop that waist, still chop your glory join. You cannot escape me. I will tell you that I am Chief Otumba 1 of Ijebode. Oh, ti mo kankan o. Wọ́n no mode omogun pe lefo. Ohun loro e. Binti lobe oge. Yeah. Ya bili ki o sọ fún mi pé ìgbògi imagine ba yi o. This one too strong. Oh. Hey.
Kosi Sachuku. One you but she not they see your face. She they come back. Kosi Sachuku no send you at all. One you but she not they see your face. She they come back. Do you know jams? They respect them.
Kosi, I tell you say my oga they call you. I tell you say Otumba they call you. You dey follow me the yarn. You won't die, yo. Kosi, you won't die for this area, oh. You won't die for. And waiting. Now what's happen?
No, leave am. Wait, what you talk now? You say waiting. Loud and again make I hear.
I say my oga they call you.
Tell am say I need they come.
You say waiting.
Even if you bring the strongest boys come this place, I no go move.
Egba mi ke. Kosi, you know who my oga be? You know who Otumba 1 of this full area be? Now they call you say you no go. If like say you want die. If like say Come back. Wait. Now you go. They go. Hey, Kosi. Not do am. Hola. You take a look at. Hola, you go. Hola. Kosi now your guy Chief Otumba.
You don't know your oga be. You could just the problem.
I don't know the kind boys want to be. That's why the yard does. I'm not fit come.
Not be dust in the yard. Now your
Get
guy.
out. Fuck off.
Now you know they hear. Okay, no. Call out. I don't go wash with you.
This trouble where they buy 70,000 every day. You know make sense. So.
Make I go do work. Go and send me. Every day na Biafra war we just dey ask for. Yeah, who wants to? Who? Even say aim water never shoot am.
Where is that useless girl? You know where? Oh, she don't run, Abi. She run. You go hear her. She run. She don't run. She live on here. She don't run, Abi. She don't run. Don't worry. Tell your guy I'm coming back for him. Tell your guy I'm coming back for him. I'm coming back for that useless girl. Don't worry. Leave him. Let's go. Tell her I'm coming back.
Understand?
Let us go.
Understand?
Let us go.
Okay.
Let us go.
Understand?
Let us go.
Back up, eh?
You want me to tell you? What the?
Ah.
What the? What the? Waba! 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 Hey! Oga Mike not always stay for shop when things they spoil. I don't talk am. I dey talk am all the time. You know they dey. You know they dey for this shop. Huh? Ogo Tumba, you go see us. You go see revenge. You go see revenge. You get Okote. You go see revenge. Waba. Waba. I dey come. I go call Ogo. Eh? I dey tell you, Elijah still there for ground. Otumba flog am wetin no good. Otumba flog am with juju. Otumba, na run I run. What did he do now? Oh, I dey tell you. See, na Kosi o. Kosi. Ade and Zion come our shop. Come attack Kosi. Kosi beat them. Kosi beat Ade. He beat Zion. He carry Zion, knock am for ground. We think say na play o. Before you know it, the waka. Otumba come. Come carry charm for my eye. I see am koro. If I no run, I swear, na me and Elijah go there for there. Na me and Elijah for there for ground they roll. If flog am wetin no good.
Kosi why no? Chineke. My brother. Ogwo ka na agwozi o.
Oh God.
Obo spa mechanic ka na alu eba. Mo dey go.
Uncle Dave. I am so happy to see you. I am very, very much happy to see you. Yes, I am very, very happy to see you. So, Uncle Ray, let me ask you. So, if your car had not break down, you will not even remember your son. Iman Chitam.
Mike, why are you sounding like that? Once in a while, I stop by to check up on you. What's that your boy's name again? Ofo? You tell me that you travel to Cotonou to purchase cars.
Yes. Wait a minute. Ofo, my boy, used to tell you that I go to Cotonou to purchase cars.
Yes.
Do you know that boy is a very stupid boy? He is one of the stupid boys I have in this shop. So he told you I went to Cotonou to purchase cars, but he never told me that my uncle came to look for me.
You mean he did not tell you?
I am telling you. This is what I see every day.
Young boys of nowadays.
But it is well. At times I go to Cotonou to purchase cars. I go.
You are doing well. You are doing well.
It is fine. How is the family?
Well, we are all fine.
Thank God.
You are doing well.
Thank
God. What about your woman, Angela? What is it? You can talk to me.
Uncle, this matter is a very serious matter. But let me just cut it short.
Okay.
Angela, the woman you know, the one that used to tell everybody that she loves me. One useless Baba, who is the caretaker of this my shop, carried her away from me.
As in, the Baba carried her away.
The Baba took her away from me. But Uncle, as I'm talking to you now, Angela, that girl that is always professing love for me, is in Baba's house.
Yeah.
Baba got married to her. I am telling you.
You don't mean it.
I am telling my own caretaker. He knows I am dating the girl. He took her away from me. Because I don't know at times the hormone they have. It will take them left, it will take them right. I don't understand. That girl is in Baba's house now. Baba has married her. Yes. Well, it is well. It is well. I at least for now I am still moving. I am making my money. I don't have any wahala at all. The only problem I have is the stupid boys I have in this mechanic shop. They are
just be managing them.
I don't wash your clothes. Where I go sew them?
Huh? Course it's Ochuku.
Sir?
Did I ask you to wash my clothes for me?
No, sir, but the clothes dirty. You know, get woman like me, they work for you. Your clothes will come the dirty. You can't use dirty clothes till they work. Now I wash them. I even wash your boots joint.
Hey. Okay. There's a rope at the back of the shop. You can go and spread it there.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
My boy.
Uncle? Uncle?
Who is she?
Okay. Her name is Kosi Sochuku. Okay. Yes, it's Kosi Sochuku. Me, I used to put it in full. Kosi Sochuku. She's one of my apprentices. Yes, she met me and said she wants to learn mechanic work.
Wow.
And she's doing well, though.
She's doing well.
I am telling you, she's doing more than those useless boys I have. Uwamba and Mafo. Those ones are useless. All they do here is to chop. Ribeni. That's what they do here. But she's trying her best.
She's doing well.
Yes, okay. Yes.
What's wrong with local girls? You know, these are the kind of girls that can manage things, that are respectful, that are decent. Leave that locality. Focus on people who will respect you so that you go far.
Uncle, I am not interested in any woman now. The only thing I am thinking of now is to make money and make this my business go global. That is the only thing on my head. Mana abro kosi. If it is kosi, no, it will not work. Uncle, so let me tell you. Forget this thing you just saw now. Forget that humility she displayed now. No. Kosi is fire. She's a tigress. Kosi can, if that girl starts here now, he will run from this place. Oh. See, and the funny part is that she's not even educated. So, I don't know. She doesn't qualify to be a wife for me.
Listen to yourself. Cho. She's not educated. Is it the education you want to get married to? You said she's fire. The better. That's the kind of people you need around you. They will help you chase bad people. Those kind of women, they are supportive, they are respectful, they are humble when they are around their man. But to other people, they can be fire. You need that fire. You want to go global. These are the kind of women you need. Just imagine husband and wife working in the same shop. Picture it. She will support you in everything. She already have the idea. If you are not around, there's somebody that will stand in for you. You just told me that all these your boys, they are not correct. So this is the kind of person that will help you run the place when you are not around. Think about it. In fact, if you let me have a number. Give me a number so that I will be talking to her for you.
Uncle, number. Uncle,
what's number?
You want to become the next Baba? Baba, I just told you that I took my girlfriend. Uncle, this is my apprentice. I don't want any trouble. People should leave her, let her be doing her work. Biko, let's go and buy the palm wine so that while they finish your car. Biko, let's forget about this talk.
My son, think about what I'm telling you.
Uncle, I cannot think about it. Let's forget about it.
Ayé retí ẹlẹ́yà mi o, wọ́n retí ẹlẹ́yà mi o lójoojúmọ́. Wọ́n ti kóra wọn jọ. Adé, wetin dey do there? Oya, they say that pump no dey work well. Look for 30 flat, make you take lose am. Bóyá máa ṣe bí ẹranko nìyẹn.
Now I don dey lose am since the thing.
Today, oya get 30 flat, na if you take lose this one. You 30 flat yo. You know ṣe tó sáré kiri bí agbó kiri báyìí. Do something for me abeg.
You see you. Make I tell you, I no dey fear you. You see you, I no dey fear you for this place. Forget say you be chairman o. Forget say na you be chairman of this union. I no dey fear you. You see all this your small juju wey you dey do. Okay, forgive na very soon. Go reverse that thing wey you do that boy o. Go reverse am now o. You remember, every time you go dey do, Every time, Juju, everything, Juju.
Ọmọ Igbo sórí ẹ̀ pé ṣá.
Who is the talk to?
Ṣé kò ṣe kò tìyàwó?
Come, stop that thing. See this one. It is how
You
they
know
fear
who
you.
you are talking to.
It is how they fear you. I know they fear you. Me, I know they fear you. All these people waiting here go they fear you, but me, I not be fear you. Then how they do Juju.
Wọ́n ní tájá bá ń gbó mojú olówó ẹ̀.
Wait
Tó ń
till
ṣe
they
bí
go.
irú tiwọn.
Who is the tell that one? See this one. I for say me thunder fire you. But thunder don't get drugs.
Àánú ẹ̀ dẹ̀ ń ṣe mí ọmọ Igbo.
Thunder don't get drugs.
I dey pity you o.
Now
Ọmọ
my
Igbo.
test I go give you.
Ọmọ Igbo get out of my
Now
shop.
my test I go give you.
Ọmọ Igbo get out of my shop.
Onye wuru. How many he get me?
Get out of my office.
I cannot.
Get out of my
You
shop.
cannot do that.
Ọmọ Igbo má kọjá yìí o. Don't pass your boundary.
Somebody he get me. Then they do all this way they do. I go call this Alambra governor. Then they come pick you here.
Ọmọdé òmùgọ̀ ń pè lẹ́fọ̀.
Then there now. No leva kan just one kan Alambra ka bia nwuru ge. Onye wuru.
Ọmọ Igbo jáde nu ṣọ́ọ̀bù mi.
Come on, no favor.
Má fi hàn ẹ́ o.
Àwọn he get me.
Má fi hàn ẹ́ o.
Tabie gaka. Ni weta ka na. Come get it. Onye wuru.
Ẹ máa bọ̀ mí báyìí.
Onye wuru.
Ẹ ti fi ṣe
Onye wuru.
Ẹ fi ṣọ́ọ̀jà.
Sister, please. Please, sister. I'm begging you. I cannot. I can't. Wait. What happened to you? You had a fight with your man? You see? You see what I'm saying? You want me to end up with someone I don't want in my life. Someone you and Dad doesn't know anything about. Yes. No, sister. No, sister. No. I can't tell you where I am. Yes, I know you can find me, but honestly, until Dad accepts my decision, I will not return to that house. I will not. I will call you back. Obim, you're not looking good.
Yes, sir.
How did it go?
You see this man? This man is above the law.
What happened?
Do you know that this man told the police to go, that he will come and meet them in the station?
Hold on. They left without arresting him.
I swear.
Just like that.
Just like that, oh. They should go, that he will come. You see this man? I will deal with him. I promise him. You see this man? I will not take it, oh.
It's okay, Obim. Calm down. It's fine.
Okay.
Please, relax.
No problem.
Obim. Odogum. My everything. I love you so much.
Somebody neighbors on your one. Somebody neighbors on your one. Wickedness.
Prince Ikemefuna, why are you committing sacrilege? The gods are angry because you choose the wrong path. Excuse me. Do you know that you are a crown prince? Don't incur the wrath of the gods.
Old man, how dare you block my path? Step away from my path now, or I will crush you.
Ikemefuna. Ikemefuna. Do not dare the gods of the land. Ikemefuna. Stop abortion is abomination. I said, stop abortion is abomination.
Old man, today is your end. I promise you that.
Stop abomination.
I promise
Stop
you
abortion.
that.
Stop.
I promise you that. Open the front.
Stop Stop abortion! Stop abortion! It's an abomination!
Shut up!
Oh, can you have a higher?
Shut up!
Oh, can you have a higher?
Get him inside! Get him inside!
Huh?
Today is your end!
Hey!
Who is short man? Let's get out of here!
I dare to go to the say, how many years you don't there where you don't sabi work? Now so you gonna do the spanner, they do fly this for most to high. As if say they use you borrow money for here. 10 years now, you know, ordinary to bring that thing spanner and you know. Papa Tony moto jao.
About Otumba. You and I know say we don't dey for this business for a very long time. And I be man of respect. I dey like respect myself. I no like trouble.
So you are now referring to me as a man of war?
Yes!
I know say so.
Yes!
Obinna.
Why are you here telling him sorry? What's in Mechonu? Why did they tell him sorry? See, as far as I'm in this garage, I didn't have to do. Ah!
Omo Igbo shara o.
In Igbo land! Can I say sorry?
Omo Igbo shara o.
I can do it.
I will deal with you.
I am not here to tell you sorry.
You are inside my shop.
All this man will be
Inside my shop.
Ah,
Obinna, stop it! Stop it!
Moa, you're telling me to stop it. In Igbo land. Bali, Onya Yoruba.
Let me.
Ta.
You
Tabiega Koisa. I
will deal with
you.
you.
You cannot do anything. I'm not here to say sorry.
Now my shop you there, they back like
He's the one that is there to say me. Tell you sorry.
Have you?
Now,
Obinna! What's in here? Stop it!
no problem.
Don't
I never say sorry.
Bet me. Ojo Atunari.
Baba, please. I am begging on his behalf.
Mike, stop begging me. Stop begging me. Don't do. You see what thing I want to tell you now? You see that girl? Bring her to me. I like her. Just bring her. I want to sleep with her.
Eh? It's again.
That is the only way I can forgive you.
You want to sleep with my apprentice?
You want Mariam? Am I afraid of you? Say Mumbedu.
So wait, Papa Otumba. After taking my girlfriend last year, you want to sleep with my apprentice?
Are you out of your mind? I don't take your girlfriend. Angela says she wants me, and I give her what she wants. Shikina, so you be alone. I don't collect your girlfriend.
I like me in me. Baba, I like me in me. I don't like this way they do.
Mike, I
don't like this way you they do. This way they do not make sense. I don't like them. I don't want to see you close to Okosiso. I don't want to see you close to her. Respect yourself. I only come to beg on behalf of Obinna. Make I see you close to Okosiso. Make I see you close to Okosiso. Make I see you close to Okosiso now. No wahala.
Ìyá ń bẹ fọ́mọ tí ó gbọ́n, ẹkún bẹ fọ́mọ tó ń sáré kiri, òun lọ̀rọ̀ yín, màá fi hàn yín nínú ṣọ́ọ̀bù yìí. Ṣé bí inú ọgbà tẹ́mi àti ń jọ wà? For this shop wey me and una dey, I go show una pepper. Ẹ tí rí nǹkan kan. Adé!
It's Obinna.
What is it now? What is wrong with Obinna?
Obinna is barking like a dog. Obinna. Yes, go. Let's go.
Yeah, now.
Let's go. Follow me.
What is this one now? Obinna, what is this?
Wait, okay, what happened? Now mad dog bites him.
Hey. Obinna. Hey! Otumba! Hey! Otumba, it will never be well with you. It will never be well with you. Otumba! I am coming.
Oga Mike, go to do something now. I don't know
what you want, but I don't know.
I'm so pleased.
Go bring Chen, come why you don't go outside?
Who do you want to put in this? Oh, my love, please.
What be Billy? You're mad. Jesus. Chineke. Stop. Come on. This thing. What's in the worry you now? Not too bad hand pay for this thing. Not too bad I do this thing. No. I'll go by. Hey, Alumelo. Otumba, not be me, no Otumba. I want to do something like that. I'm going to use mechanic to tie enough. What did you do? Come on, I don't believe I did that. No, why you going to lick it up? Come on, be.
Hello? Hello, Chief. Hello? Hey. Hello? Chief Nanum. Oh, Michael. Chief, Michael. Yes. Omo Ibo. Chief. Kebino. Where are you?
Kí ló dé? Wo jẹ́ sọ fún ẹ ọmọ burúkú yìí. Má tún pè mí mọ́. Má pè mí nílé ayé ẹ mọ́. Má jẹ́ kí n ṣépè fún ẹ o. Mike kí ló dé? Wọ́n bí sómi mẹ́ja ni. What happened?
Chief, I don't know what you did to my brother. I don't know what you did to my brother. My brother is barking. He's barking like dog. My brother is barking like a kuke. There's something we call a kuke in my village. A kuke. Woo. Chief, you need to come, come and stop this thing you did to my brother.
Making the back like that. That's why you go back till tomorrow. I don't tell you now. Nobody dares me. Wọ́n ní igi gogoro máa gún mi lójú àtòkèrè láti ń wò ó. Ẹ ń fojú di mí ni. You cannot escape this one. I will live up. In fact, that's why you go back. Till he die. Yes. Nobody dares me and go scot-free.
Chief, you need to come. Get boss, I will arrest you. No, Ndo, Biko, anyway.
Oh, you don't want to arrest me with police? No problem. I am equal to the task. You see your police? I go tell them to Umbe. You know what Igbo people they call Umbe? Ijapa. Ma someone di Japa. What your mama honey lele? I'm olori buruku. Oh no.
I am sorry. Oh, anyway, I will not arrest you. You know you're a God-fearing man. I beg. This is my only brother. Come and take this thing off from him now. Because me, I cannot dare you.
Go back to pay me like us. Ma swear that I'm Benny. Don't call me again, no. Nonsense. Lori buruku.
Hello, Chief. Hi, this man wicked, oh. This man the too wicked. Hi. This man the too wicked. Hi. This man a evil man, oh. But Obina, I tell you, make you stay away from this man. Make you stay away from this man. Make you challenge this man. I tell you, this man an evil man. But you know they ever hear. Hi. God, what thing I go do now?
Yeah. Otumba! Where your guy? What is it? Where your guy? What is it? What is it?
What happened? You know where the portion with bottle?
That person blood go flow. Why your oga?
Ah, you making the portion with bottle?
Where your oga dey?
We don't know where they. We don't know where they.
Your oga go make Obina dey back like dog. You see your guy, if I catch him, he meat go enter ground. If I say no, say I know well. If let me your guy run go Jericho, I go see 4 walls for your head.
You
Did they ask you what be? Man, stop you. Be they mad?
Sorry. I will go there. Sorry.
If I turn back, tell us how they find them. Tell us say don't be for them. Now me and for this mechanic workshop. If I say they whine, you go see my true color. Don't worry.
Kosi Sachuku.
Now what the keep on the
Sachuku no send you at all.
What do you talk?
No.
I hear you. What do you talk?
No.
I mean, they don't talk.
No.
Beautiful Kosi Sachi.
Your Highness, I'm getting more and more impatient about this whole thing. For the love of royalty, where is your daughter, Princess Olivia?
Is that why you sidelined my company from getting the federal government contracts? Or because of my daughter?
It's a thin line that is withholding me from doing even more, Your Highness. Why do I feel that you people are playing games with me?
No one is playing any games with you. No one is playing any games with you. I am depressed. I am missing my first daughter.
Time is ticking. Time is ticking, Your Highness. You have only few days to find your daughter. Else! Good evening, my princess. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm good. What happened to you? You look off. Is everything okay?
A reckless driver attacked her. But never mind. Sorted it out.
Okay.
Baba, incontentious. What you do no good, Baba. Eh? No good.
Now you be pocket lawyer. Where them pay? How much them pay you come here? You can't challenge me.
No, Baba. We not come to challenge you. Hey. Baba, I beg. We only come here make we beg you, make you feel forgive him. Eh? Forgive him, I beg. Eh?
You want make I give you bad sickness? Okay, Baba.
Baba,
Baba,
ẹ má bínú. No. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́.
Baba, I beg.
I will only forgive him on one condition. Una go bring tortoise wey don reach 300 years come.
Baba. No, Baba, you never reach like that. Just forgive him. I don't see wetin you do no good.
Now so this boy go dey attack me, they challenge me for inside this mechanic village. As if say me and him na mates.
Forgive him. Eh? Forgive him. That mistake.
You no go do am again. You no go do am.
Ó ti wá di ṣíṣe lápòṣe báyìí. Ẹ̀yin náà wá túbẹ̀ báyìí. Tú sílẹ̀.
Huh? Are you okay? Huh? Obina.
Ṣáàrẹ̀ ti balẹ̀ báyìí. Tó bá rí mi kó máa gbogbo ò ti jẹ́ kí n gbọ́ràn. Ṣáàrẹ̀ ti balẹ̀ báyìí. Ó ti mọ̀ pé kàńdá òun ṣe pọ̀ mọ́. Shey you sef don take your eye see now. Every time you go dey make noise. You no get power, you dey try me. You no get power, you dey try me. Bó ṣe máa gbẹ́nu sókè bí ajá mi ló pa lélẹ̀. Gbogbogbò wọ́n máa gbó. Next time you respect your elder. No be me and you get the shop. You hear? Next time if you see me, respect me. Because you no get anything. You get luck. I for leave you, make you dey like that forever. If not for these people.
Thank you. Thank you.
You see these people? Before they come inside this compound, I don't see their future. Say they are evil. That is why I fortify myself to protect myself. If not, these people for not buy me. But God no go agree. Especially this one where his mouth sharp like a razor. Ara ti balẹ̀ ńsìn, ó ti rí pé kàńdá àti pọ̀mọ́ kò ń ṣe kankan náà báyìí.
Ẹ má bínú, bàbá ẹ má bínú.
Igi mú jìnnà sórí o, igi mú jìnnà sórí. Yes. Ẹ kò ṣe ara yín jáde ẹ kò rí o. Obìnrin, ṣé kò ṣe kó rí ẹ̀ burú? Dọ̀bálẹ̀ síbí báyìí kò kí mi.
Go straight and greeting.
Olórí burúkú. Dọ̀bálẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Béèrè. Dọ̀bálẹ̀ ń bẹ̀. Wọ́n tó dáa fún ẹnìyẹn. Ó bá máa gbó bí ajá ni. I forgive you. Go.
Thank you, Baba.
Ọmọ Igbo.
Anywhere you are, tread with caution. If I never, anywhere you are, tread with caution.
My prince.
Yes, what is it?
The chief priest.
What about the chief?
He's still in the boot, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir. You ordered us to put him in the boot.
That's true. Yes, sir. That's true. Go now. Go.
Yes, sir.
Get him out of there.
Tread with caution. If I never, anywhere you are, tread with caution. If I never, make peace with all men, because it's best to be good in life. Please don't take my life away. Don't take my life away.
I don't understand why they will allow that kind of man like Otumba. They stay with them for that workshop. Very ugly, dirty man. What did they stop? What did they do for you?
Now the bunny be this.
You get mind. You want to say you don't get Abi?
You want to ambush me?
Bro, now she be this.
But I don't understand. You send this guy come fight me.
Wait, make I observe you first. I say now you be the mechanic girl.
You dey mad. Do you want to observe? Who goes you? I don't understand though.
I hear say now you dey.
Okay, no observe me. Who goes you? They mad. You know they fear.
You dey open eye for
Who
me.
you want observe?
I go put am for your body.
Okay, you don't fit. You don't fit. Try am.
Wait, you get my dey hit me for chest.
Wait, I dey come. You dey challenge me. 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 But if you move there, I will stone you. Frog jump. Fast! Frog jump! For punish you. You say that boy come meet me. Abi you don't fear. Otumba say you come meet me. Otumba say una come. You mad. Yo, boy!
Yvonne. Call me that name again.
Chief.
Now me they make them the back.
Really?
Yes,
Really?
of course. Oh, you want to taste it?
No, please. Oh, I don't want to bark like a dog.
Yvonne.
Otumba. Man, warn you. The teacher they follow you play for you, abi? You dey mad? If you send this crayfish, if you send one of your small boys, come meet me again, dead body go surplus, I go kill them. I dey hear your scores. I go beat nonsense come out for their body. Be like say you dey mad.
Who be this? Daniel Lay. Who are you?
Who I be? They ask me question, abi? Try nonsense again. I go hate you, they mad. What did they walk you?
Boys!
Oga,
Get her!
Oga, we no fit get her. We never chop today.
May they put body now? May they try me go beef for you now?
Sister no vex, so we no dey put body. Oga, now who chop belle full na dey fight o.
Put body? Even you say put body. Try am now, man run you streets. I not well, oh. Go ask question. But they walk you. They show yourself for the mechanic wash. Are you there mad? If you try am again, I go mend you. Put body. I not blow your eye for you. They mad. Try am again. Send anybody come meet me again.
Iwo.
Try am now.
Emi.
Try am.
Emi Otumba.
Even you not fit. You not fit. You can't send crayfish come meet me. I'll use and cook soup. I'm not well. Want yourself. I'm not inside.
Oga, they for blind you just now. You want blind my Oga?
So now this small girl I say make you carry, you no fit carry am.
Carry who? Oga, I never chop today.
Your freedom dey for God hand.
Do you know jams? They respect them. One Ebola, she not they see your face. She they come beautiful cause it's on cheese.
Ozioma. Maria. Maria.
Yes, my queen.
Now that the king is out of his room, go in there and tidy it. Make sure you dress the bed properly. Ozioma.
My queen.
Please help me call my daughter. Tell her I want to see her immediately.
I'm sorry, my queen. She's not at home. I heard Eshe say she drove out.
My daughter drove out?
Yes, my queen.
Where's Eche? Eche!
Yes, my queen.
My daughter left the palace
Yes, Your Highness.
and she's not yet back.
Yes, Your Highness.
Kosi, Sachuku. One Ebola, she not they see your face. She they come back. Kosi, Sachuku, no send you at all. One Ebola, she not they see your face. She they come back. Do you know jams? They respect them. One Ebola, she not they see your face. She they come back. Beautiful Kosi, Sachi. Jamu not the get a matter. Cause your money jamwan. Rubbish things in all your face. She know her right here. She gets power like man. You don't go fit intimidate her no matter.
What is it? What?
My prince, Ichioma is dead.
What? Are you insane? What nonsense are you talking about?
No, my prince. She died in the hospital. She was bleeding uncontrollable. And we tried reaching you, but...
Ijeoma is dead. No, Ijeoma cannot die. No!
Hey, prince, please. Please have mercy on me. I will bleed to death. Please. If I abort this child, I will bleed to death. The doctor told me that it's a set of twins I'm carrying. I've aborted 4 for you already. Please don't be cruel. Please have mercy. Let me go. Let me go, please.
And where do you want to go to?
Anywhere but here. Please. Please, my prince.
You go nowhere, Ijeoma.
No, please.
You are not going anywhere, Ijeoma.
My prince.
You are not going anywhere, Ijeoma. That's what I say. You get out of here now.
Please, I'm begging you.
Get out of the room! Now! Ijeoma! Ijeoma! Get out! Get out of here. Get out! Hello, nurse. Yes. My cook, Ijeoma. She's what? She's dead! What? How? How is that possible? I'll be at the hospital as soon as possible. Oh no, Ijoma cannot die. Ijoma. No.
Be everybody friends, you know go. Don't give room for enmity, no. Let's peace and love.
So what are we going to do now? I'll send the guards to bury him in a very far away land.
It's alright, but what if people start asking? I mean, his family members and others.
I don't have an answer to that. Till then, let's behave as if we know nothing about what is happening. We should behave as if we don't know that the chief priest is dead. Understood?
It's alright, it's alright.
I learned Ijoma died in the hospital.
Yes, she died this afternoon. They say she bled to death.
This is actually terrible. This is terrible.
Be everybody friends, you know go. Don't give room for enmity, no. Let's peace and love reign on. I never can tell what tomorrow will bring. Jason died today because of careless mistakes. Yadiba, Yadiba, Yadiba,
The deed is done.
Hope no one saw you and the guards discarding the body.
No, not at all. We were very careful.
My prince, we must leave tonight. I mean, this minute.
To where or no?
Look, my prince, you must be heavily protected at this point in time. Yes. The chief priest died in the palace, and it's a taboo for such person to die right in your arms.
Make me understand.
In a nutshell, you killed the chief priest. And that means the throne of your late father shall be taken away from you and your generations yet unborn. My prince, I cannot crown you again. But where I am going to take you to, a huge sacrifice shall be made to avert the consequences of your actions.
So what are we waiting for now? What are we waiting for? Let's go immediately. I cannot allow my inheritance taken away from me. We should go as soon as possible. Let us go.
Tread with caution, if Ananamu amunike, akanika riribo. Onyanana madu wayanike, akanika riribo. Yananamu wanike, akanika riribo. Anywhere you are, tread with caution. If onye maraya. Anywhere you are, tread with caution. If onye maraya. Make peace with all men, because it's best to be good in life. Please don't take my life away. Don't take Be everybody friends, go. Don't give room for enmity, no. Let peace and love reign on. I never can tell what tomorrow will bring. Jason died today because of careless mistakes. Some are in pains today because of the evil they wish to others. Why can't we embrace peace? Peace and love. Peace and love. Tomorrow is fine. Let's there be peace and love. Let's there be peace and love. Anywhere you are, tread with caution. If onye Maria, anywhere you are, tread with caution. If onye Maria, make peace with all men, because it pays to be good in life. If onye Maria, bigana na mmadụ adike, akanika rurimo, anana muwa munike, akanika rurimo, onyana na mmadụ wayanike, akanika rurimo, yana na muwa nike, akanika rurimo.
What killed her? She was such a loyal servant.
She bled to death.
And you couldn't take her to the hospital?
Do you think I will make it as king come next week?
And who said you can't be king?
No one, really.
If you lust after me this much, and you can't resist me, why keep me as your plaything? Aren't we just perfectly made to be man and wife? You can't wait for my sister.
I do not love you as queen. I only love what you can offer.
I see you losing everything. I see the kingdom taken away from you. And my sister will never come back for you. Newsflash.
How dare you? How dare you? No man, I repeat, no man born of a woman can take what rightfully belongs to me. This kingdom is mine, and I will rule over it.
Then choose me. And everything, this kingdom shall be yours. And the kingdom shall be saved. Choose me.
Well then, your family will have no choice than to pull out of my father's company. My legacy. And you know what that could do to your old man.
You know what? You see this thing? I regret it. I regret gracing your bed. But I can't control it now. I can't.
Well, princess, it is rather too late now. You can chew on that. I do not love you as queen.
Yadiba, Yadiba.
Otumba, calm my dream, he won't kill me. Hey. This man thinks he go fit do me anything. Eh? Why I wake up now? Why? I for kill this man. Spiritually and physically, Otumba, you no go fit do me anything. I know they fear you. Tell me again first. You go see what I go do you. Just try this nonsense when you do it again. You carry knife, you won't stab me. Me!
Yadiba, Yadiba, Yadiba. Yadiba, Rachubo. Yadiba, Yadiba, Yadiba. Yadiba, Rachubo. Somebody neighbors on your one. On your one. Somebody neighbors on your one. Wickedness, callous, evil hearts. There's only one more. Somebody neighbors on your one. On your one. On your one more. Wickedness, callous, evil.
Mother, counsel, you're awake.
Look at your time. After 12 midnight. Where the hell are you coming from?
I was with my friends around the neighborhood, not far from the house.
Kamsi, you are sinking. You are destroying yourself with your daughter.
Mother, what is all this scolding for? Why are you always hard on me? What is it? I said I was with friends. Is that a big deal?
What is happening?
Father, I don't know why Mother is always picking on me. Every time she's scolding me for nothing. I just went out, not far from the house, to chill with my friends. Is that a big deal?
Kamsi Rachuku, let it not be what I am thinking.
What is it, woman? Can't you let this girl be? Or you want to send her away the way you did to Livia?
I know you will definitely support her. Look at the time your daughter came back. You couldn't even ask her a single question. It's okay.
Don't disturb my night.
It's alright. Keep supporting her.
I have no one to speak for me. I have no one to fight for myself. But you have to bear you grow. You have to bear your anywhere you are, tread with caution.
My best friend, my special friend, the one could listen to me. Kill, fight, and destroy Prince. Destroy him for destroying you. Avenge your death. Avenge your daddy, Chioma. And as I place this on your picture, let the blood of Prince Ikemefuna be what you shall taste. Yes, he's evil. Mean he's wicked. Take his life with no pity. And as you cook and serve him with your body, serve him his dead on a platter. Kill him. Kill the priest.
Because of careless mistakes, some are in pain today. Because of the evil they wish to others, why can't we embrace peace? Peace and love. Peace and love. Tomorrow is fine. Let's live in peace and love. Let's live in peace and love.
The last time I tracked her line, Olivia was somewhere far from the States, in a mechanic place. We went there and she was gone.
Did you report that to your father?
Mother, that is what I'm doing right now.
Kamsi, are you sure you're really searching for your elder sister?
Can you allow her so that I will hear what she's saying? You pretender.
I am not pretending. Since you entrusted this job to this girl, she has never come up with any useful information. Besides, what will Olivia be doing in a mechanic workshop?
Mother, that is what the tracker said. Okay? Right now, she's completely off. We can't even track her anymore.
Your Highness, I am confused here. Why would you entrust such a serious matter into this girl's hand?
She ought to help us find her sister wherever she is staying. Since she is still in this country, why am I even discussing this with you?
Otumba, make I warn you. See that nonsense what you do yesterday night? If you try and again call my dream, I go kill you. You get luck say, I not buy you say I dey in a good mood. If you come attack me again, I swear to God, I go finish you. You go die. You go see am.
Go see Lenue. Emilio Mbasoro to know what see. You dey talk to me, they point fingers at me. It's like you don't have an elder at home. But let me tell you, a child that dances the dance of the spirit without knowing the meaning, shall understand the meaning in a grave. First, you attacked my boys. Your God begged me. I forgive you. Now you are standing before me to point fingers at me, threaten your death before me.
Well, no, Nasa, what are you just now? My Oga go beg you. He go beg you on my behalf as to wait and say who you be. What did they do, my Oga? I don't tell them make you know they beg you. You don't be anything now. Which kind of nonsense be this? I don't blame him.
Ọmọdé omugun pele for. Wọ́n ní tajagba ngbu omuju olowo ẹ̀. If dog dey bark, you know the owner. Don't worry. This is time around. We shall end it.
What did this say? Come on this tie for my front. Make I clear you. If you cross my leg again, Otumba, your meat will go down. See how?
Jesus!
See, which kind of nonsense they do? Which kind of toy they put for my face? The person wey do this juju for you, go collect your money back, you know they work. You better make you buy a bucky ring. That this toy, this nonsense, why they show me for my front? I know Mpama.
Ah! Go see Oba mi létí. Ẹ gbà mí. Ìwọ obìnrin gbà mí létí, go see. Don't worry. You don't use juju abi. Èmi ló gbá létí, go see. Ó gbá mi létí, Ọ̀túnba.
Who dey use juju? If I use juju, you go die now. Any day why I use juju, I swear to God, you don't go live to tell the story. I know well, oh. You don't whine. Don't try this rubbish again with me. If they don't with other people, don't try yam with me. Don't try yam with me. Don't try yam with me. Otumba.
Come on, top of me, look again.
Kosi Sochukwu. Wanyi Bolabo, she not dey see your face. She dey come back. Kosi Sochukwu no send you at all. Wanyi Bolabo, she not dey see your face. She dey come back. Do you know jams? They respect them. Wanyi Bolabo, she not dey see your face. She dey come back. Beautiful Kosi Sochi. Jamu not the get a matter. Go see your marriage and one rubbish things in all your face.
See, make I tell you, you don't reach the time, we go put stop to all this nonsense. You see all this stuff, our God always talk. See, you, after 10 years, you never know anything. Me, after 7 years, I never know anything. Simply because of say, you know what teach us, what thing we need to know, what thing we pay for. See, make I tell you, if our God come here now, I go tell him, say, I won't go another place, make I go learn. This thing where you know what teach me, make I go learn from another place. That's the way they ready to teach me. Understand?
Tunde.
And he must balance me.
Tunde, you won't go another place. 7 years when you don't do this shop, now only this thing you feel clean. 7 years you did this shop, nothing you sabi. You won't come out now, go another place. 15 years you go there, you know still sabi anything. Common tire, you know feel lose.
You dey mad. Now cost they cost me, I've been waiting. See, make I tell you, I better pass you. Only to clean this thing. What of you when they say you don't know, you don't be differentiate ring this banner and the flag. Say they use you for money.
Yeah. Talo fe pa mi. Who won't give me? For my own shop? No. Agbotikuyo. Bera. Ohun tá bá wí fọ́gbọ́n lọ gbọ́ngbọ́n. Ohun tá bá wí fún ọgbà lọ gbangba. Ṣíṣe ti lákọ̀ṣẹ́. Gbéra kó lọ síbẹ̀. Èmi lẹ fi ṣeré.
I just dey tell you, Obaino, let that man go. No, they fight him. Let him be. But the only thing when I want clear you be say, no, they beg on my behalf. I know they fear Juju. I know they fear Otumba. But as for your matter, let him rest. Punkpi.
I don't feel let that thing rest. After waiting that man do to me. I don't feel to.
See, everybody knows say Otumba no be ordinary man. Free the man. I dey advise you because your woman and my friend for this area. I don't want to make anything happen to you.
I don't fear anybody. That Otumba, I don't fear her.
Me and you no be the same thing. If me I know they fear Otumba, you punkpi. I don't want you. I dey go my workshop.
They go now.
Asam potompo.
My person. She not dey see your face. She dey come back. Kosi Sochukwu no say.
Irọ́. Padà síbi tó ti ń bọ̀. Padà. I be this boy that prays. How come my charm returned back to me? Is it from a royal home? Okay. Ọmọ tó ní ìyá òun ò ní sùn. Òun náà ní fojú korun. Pikin wey say mama no go sleep, himself no go rest. We don't enter the same trouble. Where do I do things now? Una not finish what una dey do.
Yes. Oga, abeg.
Go the put one hello jare. You run.
go tell you say na this na use pay as rent for Aba. This is one van na guy name.
Hey, yeah, calm down, abeg.
Area know me.
I see they win you now. You know me.
For major can know wetin we dey play.
Hey! Chineke. See what I go play you now.
Mbaja.
Play now.
Hold on.
Come on, what prefer?
Ibo only. Okay.
No one aba.
Na the same thing. Na just.
But why na one at Thailand? Go market, you know get time. General market, gakwu ozo.
Hot touch.
Mba. Don't continue. Can I tell you that. After boom this guy. God.
Have you seen Kosi today?
No, they ask him PA now. And I just bang make I finish you. They ask. Okay, what? Waiting. Oh God, don't we? You know they do a joro. Waba.
My leg.
Chineke. Waba. Okay then. Okay. Waba. Somebody help her. Hey.
My leg.
My leg.
Come
here. Waba. You don't feel hot. Come here. What's happening now? What did I do you now?
My leg.
Wait to me, I call a girl. I don't understand what they happen. I don't just understand. Where you dey play? Only what do they play now? What's again what you do? I don't pour the water. I don't tell you all this play where they use like they work. You sure say no go to Tumba shop? You sure say no go to Tumba shop? Wait, are they come?
Who are you?
Shut up and listen to me. I did not die the death from my chi.
Why do I care if you didn't die the death of your chi?
Go and ask questions. I do not look for trouble, so do not look for mine. Your stay in this kingdom must be of peace and not of havoc. Else, I will take orders and destroy you. Respect boundaries.
But I'm only here to do my work.
And you will do the right thing. It must be right before the eyes of the gods and man. This kingdom has been taken away from that evil and heartless prince. You will find a new king for this land. And you will crown him and his queen. They are together as we speak, but they are far away. Your job is to find them and crown them.
But then, how will I know them when I find them?
Are you okay?
Yes. Yes, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes.
stop thinking about you since last night. Hey, come on.
Let me alone. I need to be alone.
To relax.
Leave! Get out of here!
It's okay, fine. I'll be in the living room. Waiting.
Anywhere you are, tread with caution. If I never, anywhere you are, tread with caution. If I never, make peace with all.
Mama, Clay, don't be for you. I know they fear you. No matter the weight of elephant, it don't fit cause earthquake.
Baka.
I know they fear you. You don't fit do me anything. You don't fit do my guy anything.
Yes, sir.
I know they fear you. Look me well. You don't whine. Ma clear you. See that thing where you put for one bad leg? Go come out and move. Otherwise, it go be for you for this place.
Yes.
You don't mad. You no fear. You get mind. Say you won't sleep with me. Me. I'll kill you for bed. Your blood go flow. You don't whine.
That's so.
I'm not well, oh. Go ask question.
Yes.
What did they walk you? What did they give you morale?
Èmi. Go ṣe èmi ló ń bá wí ló dọ́wọ́ sí. Kékeré la bẹ̀rẹ̀ kéré kò ń ṣe mímì fàdí.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
You see as didu small reach so, you no fit swallow am.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Yes. You. Go see you. You dey point me for my own shop. Have you forgotten that I'm the caretaker of this place? Go see, ṣọ́ra ẹ̀. Ṣọ́ra ẹ̀, ṣọ́ni gbogbo bùgá tó ń bùgá ẹ̀.
Oga Sush, you don't fit do anything.
Oga go ṣe èmi.
You don't fit do anything. You don't fit. Who you be?
Baba Otumba, leave my girl alone. Make you leave Kosi alone now. What did Kosi do you? I go report you to union, no. Leave this girl alone now.
You dey support am. So that's why I get mind. Break my glass. This girl, she go run mad here.